hope that people rap not New Kingston, and I don't know them come. And I did it so. And I'm wicked. Just rush out and help. Anybody can put a little thing in the cash app for me, please. I'll be it. Me talk about tonight. I forget something.
But the police them too outside the door because everybody's supposed to know you're in Jamaica. So why am I come ask you if you know about robbery or like him see at the pan road at night time? The latest they're not even the pan road after 12.
Much less. Me not walk on street or me Freddy. I mean, me not walk on road at night. I be a taxi me take. Be a taxi. You know
about robbery.
You know about little girl them. You know see the video with the girl them. Little girl them in the OC in the circle key.
Me see it.
Yeah. Na circle key. And me post them up them then on a behavior. Then I no behavior whatsoever them have. No behavior. All of me across what you know. All me across in a parade, you know. They get them run me down on one of them phone drop. Me say them phone him drop in the hole, the manual. Them a come at above me to give them passport, show them passport book. Even say the weed I can fuck with them out. Like they know said a Derrick Morgan. I couldn't bother with it. Yeah, once I'm a decent for living, I can't live like they live in environment place, I love. I pack me asleep tonight, my love. I not go to something, I pack me asleep tonight.
But you can't be telling people where you're gonna sleep. They're gonna turn up.
No, I didn't turn up. Them can't see me in the dark. And they can't come in there.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I can't board already.
Uncle, you playing. Stop playing with me.
No, seriously. Me have a piece of car with my tea up already. We go sleep on. Yeah. What's lie? Me not tell a lie. I see what's something. You think I joke me I make? We make sure get a big cardboard, big carton box and take it up for a man here and hide it. Look how we go take it up.
Oh my God, this is so sad.
Ready to put it out right now. So your cousin live at Jamaica, your cousin there?
Yeah.
Tell her about it. Make she put up a play right here now on the storyline.
Yeah, I'm gonna tell her. Let me go call her and come back.
Okay. I want to phone a line and tell you. Come on for this. Everything we talk about her life. Come on for this, yeah. Come on for this. Yeah. Come on for this. Come on for this. I'm here too. No, come on for this. And that me mute them.
The funny thing is, none of them say I tell lying, but them cannot actually spell lying. This one girl say I tell lie and I spell lying wrong. Before on a comment and attack foolishness, so I'm not going to spell.
No, for that, let me tell you. Let me tell you.
People can spell. But that's I just think
Hi, Uncle.
Oh, yeah. This is that girl.
Yes, you okay?
That girl, are you from overseas? Drive the train?
No, I'm not drive the train.
We don't want to drive train overseas.
So, Uncle, you okay?
We'll be about you. Okay, come on for this. You see when Jaden come out and attack them prank and attack them this. You know, so nobody said that, you know, and Rosalie talk this, you know, but as me come on and talk my business, they must say I lie.
You know, I don't understand, Derrick. How comes you well-loved woman polite to women and always need talk good things.
Look at no, look before you talk, look at the man named Cooley, man. Cooley, and let's go man January 9. You're the dirty man, no? You're the dirty man, no? I lie. The dirty man, I black make a black him, you know. The dirty man, yeah.
But Derrick, you need somewhere to live. And you need the help for how much years back.
Come on for this.
Why nobody not help?
Come on for your side. Okay, the blood clot. Come on for
the Derrick?
Yeah, come on, the junk. Come on for this.
Derrick?
Yeah, me I come. Where I come? I remember the dirty man. Come on for this blood clot. You dog, you. Yeah, come on for this. Go and talk, no. Go and talk.
I said to yourself, look how long you need help for years. You love woman. You always talk good about women. And Jaden who bash woman. This woman, I am getting help. Why you not get no help?
Yeah.
Why you not get no help? And that man what? You see your life unfair?
Yeah. You come and tell me I tell you lie.
Derrick, you know like the person named that girl because she said I share your number one gift, you know.
Oh, you know, me not support that. That I can't and taking the cookie. I don't know the girl for now yet. What am I one gift?
Look at the bubbles list. The bubble up at top, and she sent her most gifts in the live. Look up at the top of your screen, and she never see that number one bubble.
Me not see that. She number one gift. Me never first me see her come here, so I let me take her down because almost time she talk about Derrick come like she come curse me and Sunday evening. I can't curse somebody. And people place me there. I mean, in
she sounds so nice. She say, "How are you?" And if you look, she your number one gift and I bubble up at top. She like comment here. She say if she asks if you're okay. She so nice. She does also ask. She didn't ask if you're okay.
But every time I talk about number one gift, people start. I type in number one gift. I know you don't understand the people. You know, so when you talk something, when I got answer with the number one gift, I can't make nobody cut me. Now it's only evil. We not have nobody in the box. You see something? People can't get three look at something and then come in your back and curse you. And you know that too.
Yeah, that part that's true. To be honest, that part that's true. Come in there already and see one girl like gift you and she come in her back side this. So me see that already for true. But that girl here never did that cuss her door. She did say, "Are you okay?"
What's it?
Tiara, she in her box now.
Listen, I'll check out trees.
No, I'm not gonna chase your uncle. I'm not so disrespectful. I like your uncle, me ever watch you and them something, I'm not gonna disrespect you. I'm not a disrespectful person.
Oh, okay.
Yes, I'm just asking if you're okay and how your Sunday going.
This one going bad.
It sounds
you're
sweet.
frustrated? I'm actually a sweet person.
She sounds so sweet. So are you from the States or you're Jamaican?
I'm Jamaican, but I live in the States.
So that's how you normally talk?
Yes, this is my voice.
You sound sweet.
Yeah, thank you.
You're welcome. Talk to Derrick,
Let's
mama.
not ask if uncle okay, because he look frustrated, you know?
Yeah,
Okay, don't make nobody stress you out, you know?
Come don't live now. Everybody, you know, everybody come take it and tell me. And at first,
Not nice. That's not nice.
so you can't write any comment. You can't write comment and you can't write any comment when you come up. Just write something to me and you can make a little post and send it out. Make people see it all.
Yeah, me I go post and say Uncle Derrick need help. Yeah, me I go.
And tag me right now.
Alright, you go follow me though for see it.
Okay, I'm gonna follow you right now.
Alright.
It'll come off, it'll jump off.
Just press my it and then you follow me. I'm not follow. I'm gonna like make somebody help you or so.
But it's a jump
And
off.
thanks for sending Derrick's gifts, okay? Thanks for sending Derrick gifts.
You're welcome.
Jump off.
Why jump off?
See them here, it
In my talk, like, remember, say account private too, and that it means, so we're not pressing
I got no private.
in a private.